Alright guys, now we're going to take a look at some formatting things that we have with our actual story. Okay, so after we've typed our title, we can hit that Enter key on our keyboard. You'll notice that our blinky cursor is still right in the middle, and that blinky cursor is right where the text is going to go. Okay, so if I want to start my text starting from right over here, I'm going to come up to, again, these buttons right up here that will move where my text is at. I'm going to click on left align, and it will make my blinky cursor move right over here on the left. And now I can go ahead and start typing my piece. Cats are amazing animals that love to snuggle. Okay. Now, the next feature that we're going to take a look at is how to format your text. Okay. When you're typing, it's automatically, by default, going to go to an Arial size 11. Okay? These tools right up here will allow you to edit and change the size and color of your text. Okay? It's very important that you check with your teacher first to know how she wants your report to look before you make a lot of changes or add a lot of different colors. Okay, so if I wanted to change the font of my story, I would highlight the part I want to change, and then I can choose from this list of different fonts. Okay, so if I click on Comic Sans, it's going to change that font to Comic Sans. Okay, if I don't like any of those in that list, I can always click on More Fonts. Okay, the other thing that you can do is you can go ahead and change the size of your font. Okay, so you can make it either bigger or smaller. Okay, the last thing that you can do is you have some tools right around here where you can either make your text bold, you can italicize it. I'll make this a little bigger so you can see. Okay, or you can make your text so that it's underlined. And typically when you're writing, your title is going to be underlined. So I could highlight that and hit underline. Okay, so that is how you can change the font, change the size, and change some of the basic formatting features. Okay, the last thing that you have up right up here is something called a text color. Okay, with your text color, that's going to allow you to change the color of your text. Okay, you see that right here it's clicked on text. So if I were to click red, it's going to change my cats to red because that's what was highlighted. Okay, if I didn't want to change the letters, but I actually wanted to highlight parts, then I would click on this highlight option and then I would choose the color that I want to highlight with. Okay, so now I've gone and highlighted that sentence green. Okay, so those are some of the basic formatting features you have with changing your font, changing your size, some other basic formatting features, and changing the color. Okay, now what we're going to do together is we're going to go to technology mode and we are going to try those basic features on your Google Doc together, and then we're going to erase what we've done and you're going to try some features on your own. Thanks so much.